Yo, daily boss as always. Uh, so right now, like yesterday, we didn't like it doesn't look for me like when's the reversal. We didn't take the Tuesday low. So right now for me it looks like a bullish week. Price is like it's not really beautiful because of this Wednesday candle, but right now it looks like Wednesday like a bye week. So we can expect that Thursday will go even higher. Like will expand even higher because on lower time frames. In a moment you will see that price have already expanded, but there is still possibility that price will expand more. So how we see like price is respecting this order block, we are not respecting this FVG. We have another FVG right here, so this is my first target. 4 hour. On 4 hour, of course, we have this accumulation here with those highs here. So that's another target for price that I don't think that we can reach it today because we already moved like 200 points. Wait, even more. Wait, let me see one thing. 300 points. Yeah, like we already moved 289 points, so that's quite a lot. So I don't know, but as a first target, this is this daily FVG. Like right now, we still have like some points to reach it. So that's the first target. 1 hour. On 1 hour, there was this, like how I said, there was this accumulation, so I wasn't expecting that price will take Tuesday low. For me, this was a manipulation lower. So that's the thing we were talking about yesterday, and seeing this accumulation here, like I don't like I think that probably, in my opinion, price will like retrace a bit lower and then we will smash higher. I don't think that will reverse this whole move, especially because Asia accumulated, London manipulated, and right now we are in the standard deviations level. I want to see how price will react here. If it doesn't react here much. So let's say that there will be a consolidation, maybe some turtle soup, but this how it will be looking. Then I will be looking, of course, for higher prices, even those levels and FVG on NQ. But right now I'm more bullish than bearish. Like I'm bullish right now. I don't think that price will make a huge drop, but we'll see. Like given this accumulation manipulation distribution, I don't think that this is the moment to like drop. But we'll see because we have a lot of buy side liquidity here. So yeah, maybe some kinda soup here to go higher. But right now my maybe even wait, let me see something. Maybe drop into the 15-minute FVG to go higher. Something like that. There is this devil mark right now. So yeah, we will see. So we are seeing after the session, and yeah, have a nice one. So this was this hammer trap here. Like this was hammer trap because price actually didn't went in this daily FEG, but it was looking like there was a big reaction. So a lot of retails put their stop losses here. 1 hour. On 1 hour. So actually, if you take a look, like because we moved higher, there was this huge manipulation lower and we moved higher again. But I wasn't anticipating this manipulation, and in a moment we will like discuss why, like how it could have been anticipated. So I was looking for like retracement here to then go higher to this daily FEG. Same thing here, like into this FEG to then go higher. But what actually I didn't saw is that there was this accumulation. I was looking for a London protraction because we took Asia. If you take a look, we took Asia lows. So I didn't also see New York PM. I didn't see those equal lows, and I was like, damn, bro, like near like London protraction, like price is going higher, so retracement and we are going higher. But that was stupid because actually if you take a look, it wasn't a high probable London protraction. Why? Because on 1 hour there was no SMT. It was here. If you take a look, there was no SMT. Price only took Asia lows. No FEG here. We still had those lows here. So like it wasn't the highest probable London protraction, like London low of the day. 15-minute again. And yeah, and like there were those equal lows here. Like there was no SMT, you know, so that's really important. No SMT. PM session lows. And yeah, and like if you take a look from 5 to nearly 9, price was just going higher. So like who was in profits? The buyers, you know. So that's why there was this huge manipulation, and it could be possible to just go here and go higher, but something like that make much more sense, especially if you take like a look. We opened here and price was going sideways, you know, like there wasn't any meaningful manipulation, no, higher. And yeah, so like actually we made, like we ended to going higher, but this manipulation could have been anticipated, you know. 5 minute, there was a nice entry of this breaker targeting those lows. This buy side here, London lows, and there was a reversal, and I took a reversal setup like opposing. So let's jump into 1 minute right now. And yeah, oh, and if you take a look, there was only one turtle soup going higher from this 5. No turtle soup, no turtle soup, no FEG here, and this was the only turtle soup here. Like price went lower, and so this was the only turtle soup, you know. A lot of buy side liquidity. That also looks like manipulation, like a lot of buy side below. So yeah. Oh, and one thing I didn't mention is that before the session, let me actually see if I had marked this. Oh yeah, and before the session, look what was there was there was SMT into 4-hour FEG. So combining those things that I said, it makes a huge sense to instead of keeping going higher, price had to manipulate lower. So yeah, I hope it makes sense. Let's actually right now jump into 1 minute, and right now combining all of those things, if you take a look, it perfectly aligned with time, because 8:30 manipulated higher, 9:30 made a turtle soup. There was momentum SMT. If you take a look, momentum SMT here into this 4-hour FEG, 9:30 soup. So like price had been going higher, and at 9:30 price went again higher. So retails were buying those soups. And here we have a lot of buy liquidity. This consolidation, like there was no SMT, bro. There was no SMT. It was too smooth, you know, to just keep going higher. If price actually would have gone higher, I would expect to reverse in daily FEG to at least take this buy side liquidity. So yeah, there was this huge drop. Actually, you could enter on this breaker towards this SMT, targeting this buy side here and keeping your stop loss tight until price take London lows. This was actually a good setup, but not my strategy. And yeah, let's analyze what happened next. So we didn't take London lows. It was here. Price didn't take London lows. There was no SMT. Let me actually pull up ES chart. Yeah, no SMT here. Oh, there was 1-hour FEG. Yeah, because I was thinking why price reversed. So we went into this, like retrace. We went into 1-hour FEG, 5 minutes. So we went into the discount. So what price will do? Price will go back to the discount of the selling range, and that will happen if you drag a fib here. Price made a retracement. perfectly into this breaker block. You could enter here, and you could have a like even like, okay, I will show you something on 1 minute, and you could target London lows. Is already like nearly 3 hour. Those lows 3.5 hour. That was the great setup. I miss it because I was scared to take it, because I was bullish. I was still like, I was thinking that this move higher will be the actually reversal, but that was like, I don't know what I had in mind, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, and if you miss the setup, you could enter here on the inverted FVG, right there. Also, if you take a look on this retracement higher, there was no FVGs, so that's mean like when there is no FVGs, so if the selling range has FVGs but the buying range retracement doesn't have a FVGs, it's a healthy retracement, you know. It's a healthy retracement to this 5-minute breaker because there is no FVG, you know. So that was also a great confluence, and then you could buy on this inverted FVG tight stop loss because this is the intermediate term high, and you could just target those London lows here. So it was right there. So let me see which candle is it. It's something around here. So it would be 2 hour. If you take a look here, 2 hour. And then what happened? Price again. Price took London lows. What we can expect? We can expect come back to discount of this dealing range. Why we can't reverse here? We can, but we still have those London lows, and they are important. Why? Because New York PM, it's New York PM session, and also New York IM session. So that's time-based liquidity, which is important. And given the fact that it was bearish profile, we were looking for a low to be put at 10, like between 10 to 10.30, but if you take a look, the high was put at 9.32, so we don't expect the 10 to put immediately to the low, you know. Like you want to have like at least 1 hour, you know, like a 1 hour space, something like that. So that's why we reverse it at 10.31. That's like, do you think it's random, bro? Like just do your back testing and you will see. Okay, never mind. So let's say that this was wrong high, wrong time, but if you don't use time, you could just think that we still have this buy side liquidity here. So yes, price could reverse, but there was actually bearish signs that we will continue lower. So let's analyze them. So yeah, again, if you drag the fee from this leg to this leg, there was also dump, so we can expect price to come back to the discount of the range. This is still protected low, so we hide, so we don't want the price to come back here. And what happened here is that price come back to this FVG, so deep discount, made SMT here, made the 5-minute intermediate there high because this was in the 5-minute FVG. Disrespected this FVG. There was this small entry on this FVG, like it would be really advanced entry, I would say. And here, break of structure here. Probably on 15 seconds you would have a entry here off of this order block. Let's actually mark it. Yeah, and you could target time-based liquidity and time to put at 10.30. So yeah, oh, and after there was this inverted FVG entry. It was also nice because you like seeing those confluence. It was already like a low risk entry because it was high probable to pan out. Let me actually pull up this, like stop loss something like around here, and you could just target 2 hour, and here of course partials here. Yeah, so after we took all of this buy side liquidity, we still had low of the day. I think we still have low of the day, but that wasn't really important. It was here. That wasn't really important because I was still anticipating price to come back, so like we didn't need to. The most important thing was London lows. That was the most important thing. If like that is not a big factor, you know, like you I can't remember, but during this week there was also a example that price actually took only London liquidity and we didn't take London previous daily low and price made a huge retracement because people are trailing stop losses. So we don't need like there are because like if someone is putting their stop loss here and it see that price is going higher, it will put their stop loss here, here. So price don't need to come back here, you know, we can just, I don't know if you understand, I hope you do. So let's analyze what happened next. Yeah, there was this reversal, and once I saw this reversal, actually I wasn't really confident about it because we were already like expand a lot, but we still had this daily FEG, which was really important thing. And yeah, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, and there was a 5-minute entry. Also with this entry there was a 15-minute order block, like CSD, let's say. Let's actually analyze like how it was looking. So daily, nothing special. 4 hour there was this hammer trap. This is something I saw. Beautiful SMT, important liquidity. Oh, and price dim at this 1 hour FEG. That was also important because that showed me that this is still in play, you know. Like I didn't look at NQ because on a yes we dim at this FEG SMT, so I wasn't expecting the previous daily low to be taken. 15 FEG, CSD. I don't know if it's something. Oh, CSD, and because we, you know, like nothing special. CSD 5-minute. Oh yeah, 5-minute because we closed above this intermediate term high. It was like there was only this FEG and this high was the next target, you know. So there was like only this FEG and this order block which price actually reacted from, but there was only this FEG, so like there wasn't a lot of, let's say, resistance for price. Yeah, beautiful displays, and it was like I was scared to take it because it was looking too clean, you know. And yeah, so that's what happened. Actually, it was I took my, let me actually pull up the executions, so you know that I'm not a liar. Yeah, like when I saw how price was delivering here, I decided to take everything up, like everything here, so it was 1 hour trade. Also, I could hold this trade to these standard deviations, but like it was late in the day, so I decided to, like once I saw that price was coming right here, I decided to put my stop loss and actually this intermediate term low, 5-minute intermediate term low hold. So yeah, my stop loss was at break even. There was this SMT turtle soup and went higher. So yeah, so that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed and see ya in the next one.